Hello everyone, my name is Sean. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you this this type of the 060 type of the connectors that made from the US supplier. So that get started. So again, from this the left side of this pin is a female, so female terminal, female connectors from 2 port up to the 6 port. The right side of this pin is the male terminal, and there's male connectors. So let's get started. So let's start with the 2 port connectors. So basically the 2 port connectors, especially in this the the Keyway. So if you see from this angle, you will see there's there's a Keyway in the right hole, on top of the right hole. And again, so if you if you see the male connectors, they were in the opposite position. So when you mating each other, they will can easily lock in. So but I'm not gonna clock in. I'm not gonna insert into the Foley. So okay, so this is the first type of the 2 port. And second, like for the different Keyway is this guy. And this guy, the Keyway is in the middle of this front interface. Okay, so mating this female is this male guy. So this is pretty much for the interface of this guy. This is a key. There's a second the Keyway, and third I don't have a for this the Keyway. As you can see, like this this the structures the top of the left hole. But unfortunately for this type, I don't have the male side for connectors. So I'm just gonna show you real quick and just put it back. Okay, so this is a 2-way. So okay, so if you see this, okay, so this is a 2-port and 3-port. 3-port. So let me zoom in a little bit. 3-port. Okay, so for this 3-port connectors, I do have the application. So the application for this 3-port connector is either you will find it in the Subaru's, the inside the car, or Toyota, where the Toyota cars, the interiors connectors for applications. So as you can see, there's the Keyway is in the 3-hole on the top of the right side, Okay, so for the male side, it's gonna be in the left top. So this is because they need to mate each other. Okay, this 3-port. There's another Keyway for the 3-port. The Keyway is a little bit in the second hole and third hole. If you define this first, second, third. So this on top of the second and third, the top of there's a little bit, there's little structures in here. Oh, it's okay. So there's the second. So there's the second Keyway for the 3-port. 4-port. 4-port is the structure is in the left side, the top of left side. So in the male side is gonna be the right top. So it's gonna be like this. Okay, 4 pore, 5 pore. Okay, this is 5 pores connectors, 6 pore. And again, for those who is not real familiar with connector systems, so for this pore in the front side of the connector, I would call this is the phone pore. The phone pore of connector is just for the mating purpose between the female connector and the male connectors. In the back of the connectors, they will just for the inserting of the crimping terminal. Again, so this if you mating each other, there's a front side here. There's a back side. Okay. So and also like for someone who don't understand in the female, why the some of the female connector have this little plastic guy. So this is because like the some of connectors, even though like they have this lever device that can help this connector to mating each other, but they also the supplier also add in this guy for double locking. So once you insert in and you will hear the click sound, that so it means locking fully. So and also you can when the first lock is locking fully and this is second lock, you can push all the way down to having the second lock. So this is the purpose of this little guy, and this only happen in the female connectors. Okay. Okay, so again, so for those who see my video in the first time, you will let me zoom in. Yeah. And for those like who see my video first time, and you'll find that in my video they will always have this pin tag. This pin tag was pin stickers. That is just showing on this video is for waterproof connectors. On another side, if you see the blue sticker, that is for non-waterproof. Okay, so this is pretty much what I'm going to introduce today. Again, so this type of connector is a 060 type of the US supplier connectors. If you guys have interest, please leave comments in my YouTube, in the back of my YouTube, or you can always contact me. Okay, I guess I'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.